Here is how to make sure your microphone is enabled on Altspace. So let's say you're in the app and you want to go to sound settings. So the first thing you do is you hit the Windows icon on your keyboard that looks like this. You then go to the volume logo icon and you right click. You then click on Open Sound Settings. Hit the microphone privacy settings. Scroll down until you see the app that you're looking for. So in this case, it's Altspacevr. Click the button over here so it turns on and it's highlighted in blue. And this is how to enable your microphone on Altspacevr. The second way to make sure your microphone is enabled on Altspace is once again, you hit the Windows logo on your keyboard. You then go to this little arrow for more. Then look for the microphone icon. You hit it with the left mouse button. And here it is. Now you can scroll down and look for Altspacevr and then hit the on button.